Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we have a What I Eat Wednesday video. And I took a break last week, took a couple videos off because me and Austin went away. We were in Gettysburg. I did try to vlog, but I'm a terrible vlogger, but I will put the few clips that I did end up getting on my other channel, which is linked in the description box below if you're interested in seeing the little bit that I remembered to film. It's just so awkward vlogging and I'm very forgetful. So today is a What I Eat video and I'm having my morning coffee in my wifey mug. I think this was a gift, but I think it was from Target. You can probably find these still if you look. Maybe not, I don't know. And I have, it's almost noon. It's 11:56 right now. I'm not even halfway through my coffee. I have been doing a million things this morning. I was a little out of it the past few weeks. I had my period, which I only get every 3 months, and then Austin's mom and grandma were in town and I was completely thrown off my routine, so I really have not been getting much done lately in terms of like my personal agenda. Obviously I work every day, my work's getting done, but yeah, I haven't been working out as much. I've still been doing yoga. Yoga's my current little phase that I'm in workout wise, so I've been doing that, but I haven't been doing as much. I haven't been keeping up with like all of my cleaning tasks, all of my Poshmark tasks. I still have 10 million things. Like, I've got a whole pile of crap I need to list on Poshmark. A lot of it's menswear, but I do have a couple of my own items I want to list. This time being home, it really has given me a great opportunity to reevaluate my clothes, what I enjoy, what I don't enjoy. So that's been fun, and I've been listing things on Poshmark. I do think my Poshmark is in the description box below if you're interested. So I'm having my coffee with just a tiny splash of the Silk pumpkin spice creamer, and then topped off with some almond milk, and that's it. For lunch, I think I'm gonna take some leftovers and make a crunch wrap type thing, so I'll show you guys that. And yeah, that's what we're doing. And I have to film a video. I have to film a Petite Four unboxing, and this is how I'm filming it because I don't care. I need to get it done. I need to get it posted like today, which is actually a Monday. But yeah, so that is what's going on today. Lots of to-do list items, cleaning, and filming. Yeah, so thanks for joining in, and the next clips you'll see will be lunch. So it's lunchtime-ish. It's 12:45, and should I turn on the lights? I guess the lighting's not bad. I'm going to make my version of like a crunch wrap type thing. So I have one of these sun-dried tomato basil wraps left, which is probably not going to be on point with the flavor, but whatever. There's only one left, so I want to use it up. So I'm going to use that. Actually, recycle that plastic bag at the grocery store. And then I have some rice and black beans and bell pepper and onion in here left over from last night, because this is what I made for dinner last night. So I'm just going to spread that. This might be a little more rice than I actually need, but I'm gonna spread that in here. If you want to make sure this is absolutely all the way warmed through, you might want to warm these things up beforehand, but I'm just trying to make a really quick lunch so I can get back to all the things I need to do today, because my to-do list is, like I said, enormous. Also, get your pan warming up to a medium-high heat. Unfortunately, I have no avocados, so that means no guacamole, which is sad, but it is what it is. I'm going to add some pickled jalapenos in here. Love. I like to add a whole bunch so you get kind of a little bit in each bite. And then I'm going to put, wipe my fingers off. Actually, I'll put this away too. I'm going to put a slice of the Follow Your Heart pepper jack. Actually, I might put 2 slices to kind of compensate for the lack of fat from not having any avocado. Why did I leave the fridge open? Sometimes these slices are so hard to pull apart. I've got 2 of those. I might actually have to take some of the rice out of this, but we'll see. And then I'm just gonna do a drizzle of hot sauce. Actually, I'm gonna do that under the rice. This is the Yellowbird sauce, the habanero condiment. Sean from Hot Ones mentioned this, and it actually had a different one from this. I think it's the Serrano or the jalapeno or something from this company. And so next time I went to the grocery store, I just bought this one, and it is really good. Although heat-wise, this is more where I like to be. Taste-wise, flavor-wise, I do like the Serrano one a little bit better. I'll probably use that as I actually eat it. And then I have these vegan-friendly tostadas. I just want to make sure they're made with vegetable oil instead of a lard type thing. I'm just going to wrap this up and try and not tear the tortilla. Yeah, this is definitely a bit overpacked, but that's okay. If you do tear your tortilla, just flip it upside down and double tortilla it. It's a lot more calories, but it'll do the job. So I'll like gently place it into the pan to try and keep the folds underneath, which I definitely did not do successfully, but you can use your spatula to tuck them back under. Ooh. And don't burn yourself. Goodness. Not the best day to demonstrate this when I'm like frazzled and all over the place, but it'll do the job. So I'm just gonna let it brown on both sides and then serve it up with some additional hot sauce. I wish I had guacamole to go with it, but I don't. Also, another thing that's really good with it is the Trader Joe's jalapeno sauce. I'm so not being focused on. I do not know what is wrong with my camera right now. Anyway, I'll be back when it's done. So here it is, just browning up in the pan. Wildly riveting content here. You can see it is kind of a little overstuffed, but we're gonna work it. It's fine. No biggie. It's so funny that I'm filming today. This is definitely the ugliest ketchup I've ever made. I overstuffed it by a mile, and the sun-dried basil tortilla just does not seal up very well. I did have to double wrap this, and it is horrendous looking, but that is okay because I'm gonna eat it and it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna have some orange juice too, and I'm gonna use the Serrano hot sauce. But yeah, it's just funny. The day I choose the films, the day it's awful, right? Whatever, it's gonna be delicious. So as a testament to me being a terrible YouTuber, I completely forgot I was filming today, and I made my dinner with zero regard to filming it. So let me show you what it is before I eat it, because I saw my camera and I remembered, oh yeah, I'm doing that today, aren't I? So I already had some pesto made in the fridge. So I just made some farfalle pasta. I sauteed tomato, onion, 1 bell pepper, some artichoke, and some hot peppers, some Calabrian chilies. And I just added it all together, and I topped it with some Follow Your Heart mozzarella. No, Parmesan. So here it is. Looks so good. And I'm going to turn on Wow Presents Plus and watch some Drag Race content, some drag queen content. So it's about 10 o'clock. I'm about to go up to bed, and this has been a very lackluster flying by the seat of my pants kind of day. So that's kind of how the video turned out as well. And you know what, sometimes that's just how days go when you're super busy with mile-long to-do lists. You just kind of eat what you can. Franny is trotting around the living room like a horse. She's galloping. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Ooh, I'm looking very much like I just woke up. I'm slipping this last little clip in the end of this video because I'm trying something new that came in my vegan cuts box. This is the Sun Warrior plant-based collagen, which I have seen, I believe, Eat Move Rest talk about, and I just wanted to throw it in there that I'm trying that. It's in the Tahitian vanilla. I've got it in a smoothie here. It's green because I added a whole boatload of spinach. Yeah, and so far it tastes good. I'm definitely not going to be able to tell you if there are any sort of life-altering results from this one packet, but it tastes good. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Sun Warrior Tahitian vanilla, pretty tasty. I added it with coffee and spinach and banana and a bunch of other stuff. So just wanted to throw that in there because I'm enjoying this. And it'd be something interesting to try. Erin from Eat Move Rest, I believe, uses this and enjoys it. So yeah.